Best ERP softwares. Hello everyone and welcome back. Choosing the right ERP or enterprise resource planning software is more about fit than it is about finding a best overall. ERP systems are going to vary widely in features, industry focus, and pricing. Today, we're going to be breaking down the top ERP solutions, highlighting their standout features, ideal use cases, pros, cons, so that you can make an informed decision. Now, what does ERP really mean and why does it matter? Well, enterprise resource planning is probably something that every business major has studied, and ERPs need to be tailored for different business models and industries. The right ERP is going to match your workflow, not the other way around. And over-customization can lead to high costs and failed implementation. So let's get started with today's list. Now, this list is in no particular order. I just have some of my top ERP softwares that I'm going to be showing you guys. Starting off with Microsoft Dynamics 365's Business Central. So this is best for wholesalers, distribution, and companies with complex pricing. The best part is that they have advanced pricing strategies with customer/item pricing, price groups, volume discounts, and time-sensitive promotions. Not only that, but they also have the ability to create transparent as well as modular pricing, and their own pricing structure is pretty straightforward. You have seamless integration with the Microsoft system, enhanced AI Copilot for automation, summarization, and sales order automation, sustainability modules for tracking Scope 3 emissions, and master data management and deep analytics with Power BI. And their pricing starts at only $70 per user per month. The typical 5 to 10 people user setup is going to be anywhere between $2,700 every month. Now, some of the pros include flexible pricing, segmentation, user-friendly for those who are already using Microsoft products, as well as strong analytics and reporting. However, this can actually end up becoming very expensive as your general needs are going to grow and your users are going to grow. And it may require Microsoft-centric workflows for the best results. Now, moving on to our second platform. Now, second on our list is NetSuite. NetSuite by Oracle is another super popular ERP, and this exactly is going to fit a retail, customer business or consumer business, and enterprises needing advanced financial planning. They have powerful financial planning and forecasting tools. They consolidate metrics across multiple locations as well as subsidiaries. Scenario modeling as well as what-if analysis can be done for revenue, cost, and profit projections. Automated inventory, order and supply chain management, global business management with multi-currency taxation and compliance support, as well as enhanced procurement, warehousing, and workflow automation. Their pricing is slightly more expensive. So their pricing starts at $2,000 a month, and most businesses are going to be spending more than that because you would be, paying more so around $3,000 to $55,000 a month. It can truly be anywhere in between that, depending on the complexity that you're using. So you have this industry-leading financial and forecasting tool with real-time consolidated data for multi-entity businesses with strong automations and integrations. They have opaque pricing and they require consultation for accurate quotations, which I find to be pretty difficult to schedule, and that's just something that most businesses don't want when they're getting started. However, their higher entry cost is going to be something that provides you with a lot of value as well. Now, moving on into our third platform, we have Acumatea. Now, this is not something that is as popular as the first two. This is for professional services and project-based businesses, for companies needing flexibility. They have modular usage-based pricing with unlimited users that can be added. They have integrated CRM for lead, resource, and project management. They have AI-powered anomaly detection and workflow automation, and they have modern customizable UI and dashboards. They have advanced mobile capabilities and an offline mode as well. They also have industry-specific suites, including manufacturing and retail. Their pricing starts at $1,000 to $1,500 for their basic, and the typical spend for businesses is around $3,000 to $5,000 every month. Now, some of the pros includes needing no per user fee. So this is going to be scaled upon business growth, not just upon user growth, and it's highly flexible and modular. They also have strong project management features with CRM integrations directly available, and they have advanced mobile and global compliance features. However, the cost is going to rise with transaction volume and module additions. Implementation may require expert help for more complex needs. And Acumatea has several different industries that you can customize your plan for, so you can totally find something that is going to fit your workflows. Now, moving on into our next platform, we have SysPro. SysPro is amazing for manufacturing and distribution companies. Their key features include deep manufacturing operation management, real-time inventory and warehouse management, drag-and-drop production scheduling and auto-scheduling, as well as advanced analytics and KPI dashboards. They also have flexible deployment on-premise, cloud, or hybrid with industry-specific features for aerospace, food, or other industries. And their pricing starts at only $1,000 to $2,500 every month for smaller setups. However, this is going to vary with the number of users and modules that are being used. Now, they have specialized manufacturing and distribution flows and scalable and configurable workflows with strong production planning and real-time monitoring. However, this can be a overkill for non-manufacturing businesses, and customization does add more cost and complexity. Now, when it comes to just the key limitations, it is only best for manufacturing and for no other type of business model because it truly does, serve a specific purpose. However, they are going to be a great tool for people in the manufacturing business, especially when it comes to pricing, because their pricing is pretty spot on. Now, when it comes to using Acumatea is best for services, projects, and flexibility, and NetSuite is best for multi-location businesses, and Microsoft 365 is better for businesses that are focusing on wholesale and pricing complexity. And the best part is that Microsoft 365's Dynamics is one of the cheapest options out there when it comes to getting started with these ERPs. Which one should you be using, and what are my final thoughts? Well, the best ERP is going to be the one that fits your business model, industry, and growth plans. Try to avoid over customization and choose an ERP that matches the style of your workflows out of the box. Consider the total cost of ownership, including licensing, support, and future scalability. And make sure to always get a free consultation and demo to actually see which ERP is going to be the best in use. So if you're ready to explore options for ERPs for your business, check out all of these free platforms out there. Most of them have free trials. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more business software reviews. And have you used any of these ERP systems? Share your experience or questions in the comments down below.